Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with a show and tell video of a new kit. It's called Crackling Eggs, and well, like the title already says, it has to do with Easter and eggs, but also there are many spring flowers included. So it's not just an Easter journal kit. 20 pages in total in the kit, plus 2 extra pages with Easter ornaments. I'm going to show you them really quick. I have problems with my ears, so I'm doing this video with earplugs in. I have no idea how hard I'm talking right now, because when I put them out, my own voice sounds really loud. I'm going to the hospital, to a specialist to check it. So, but for now I have to do it like this. Otherwise, it's not possible for me to do a video or anything. This is page number 1. So if I'm talking too loud, maybe you want to put down the volume a little bit. I'm sorry if I do. Page number 1. Page number 2. So there is some spring Easter eggs thingies on here. Well, not really Easter eggs, but it's not completely Easter like the Enchanting Easter Bunny kit that is only Easter. I really like this page. And then we have a little, I don't know how you call it, little chicken duckling, not sure, but we call it kuikentje in Dutch. And if you have the Easter bunny kit, you probably remember this guy, and this is one of my favorite bunnies, so I put him on this page also. Then we have a floral page, another page with the florals and the eggs, another backing page or writing page, but this can also be used in another journal. And this is one of my favorite pages. And then I have some sort of embossed page as a backing page, a lined writing page, and the tags. There are 87 pieces of ephemera in this kit, plus the 11 pages, plus the 2 freebie pages, so 13 pages, 87 ephemera pieces. Pockets, little windows, stems, little eggies. Yeah, some floral journal cards, which I really like. They are really springy in bright colors. Of course, oh, it's upside down. I included the slanted pockets, a large envelope. Then I have little words, washi, book plates, clothing tags, the smaller version of the journal cards, and I really like this with the bunny. Then I have the windows, tabs, circles, T-cards, and 2 bigger book plates to use in your journal or project. I also included another file folder. It's collage this time, so there's different pages on it. Then I have 3 large rounded tags. These are rather neutral, so you can also put them in another journal. And these are the freebie pages, so you can make some little Easter ornaments. But I was thinking you can also, like this, can put together. If you put this one over here maybe, or this one on here, you can make a journal in an egg shape. And these two will also be available in my Facebook group for people to play with. And yeah, this is the kit. I've been working on this for a long time, but I had a lot of things going on. So I wanted to have it finished on the first day of spring. Yeah, did miss that, the video at least. I couldn't film it before that date, but I have a challenge. I will put this in my Etsy, and I will have it on sale with 30% off. And if you purchase the kit, you can enter this challenge that I will be having on my YouTube about this kit. And it's usually you have a challenge where you have a glass bowl with all the chocolate eggs in it, and you have to guess how many chocolate eggs are in the bowl. I'm doing this too, but I don't have a bowl, but I have a kit with eggs on it. So if you count the eggs, please comment below this video with LDA crackling eggs, and then the amount of eggs you think are in this kit. You can also try and count it from the YouTube video maybe. I'm not sure if it will work. And you have to count all the eggs, also the half eggs. And I know maybe you won't be able to exactly guess how many. So I will pick the person that is closest by with one above or one beneath. And if I have more than one, I will do a drawing from those people. And the prize is spring writings, the spring writings kit, the memories of the past kit, or the vintage florals kit. And the reason why I picked those three, because they really go well with this kit. So if you want to join the challenge, please comment down below with crackling eggs, hashtag LDA crackling eggs, and tell me how many eggs you see on the whole kit, including this promo sheet. So I'm not making it easy. And just for example, this is egg shaped, but it's not an egg. This is egg shaped, not an egg to me, because this is my logo. So those doesn't count. Those two don't count, and the logo doesn't count, because the logo is also on all these pages, so they don't count. So yeah, I hope this will be fun, and if not, then it's okay too. But I hope you like the kit. Thank you very much for watching to my channel, for leaving me all those nice comments. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Oh yeah, I've almost forgot. There's also a challenge going on in the Facebook group, LDA faux stamps. So if you want to join in, you still can. Yeah, you still can. Let me check. One moment. Yes, I checked. You can still enter until the 27th of March. So you still have about a week, I think. No, 5 days. But yeah, 5 days you can craft a lot. I will link all the info down below this video if you want to join in. You have to be a member of the Facebook group. And like I said, mentioning the Facebook group, these two pages will be uploaded in the Facebook group as freebies. Not today, but very soon. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like it a lot, maybe you want to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. I'm almost getting to 2K subscribers, so there's a giveaway very soon. Well, I hope it's very soon. And thank you all for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.